Assalamu alaikum. If you've been trying to teach your child the Quran, you've probably been using a book called the Qaidah, and you may be familiar with a pen called Kiitab. Kiitab is a really clever little device that reads out any letters that you touch. So
Alif, Ba, Ta.
that's how it works. It plays games, it does a whole bunch of other things. But in this video, I'm not going to be talking about the book as much as I'm going to be talking about the device itself. Now, we launched this Kiitab device a while back, and this is the packaging it came in. And it was good. It housed the Kiitab, it housed it safely, and we had also the accessories that came in the box. But we knew we could do a lot better than this. This is the new box for Kiitab that we'll be unboxing today. As you can see here, Kiitab works with a bunch of different products, not just the Read and Write Qaidah that you've just seen. It's endorsed also by Sheikh Umar Suleiman, and it's helped literally thousands of children not just learn the Qaidah, but also to learn many other aspects of Islam. So the new box has a sleeve, which I'll just remove there, and then I can lift the box up to reveal a beautiful new case which the Kiitab comes in. We have a wonderful dua, may you always stay connected to the Quran, Ameen. And I'll just lift the case out and just show you this little insert that we have here, which is the user guide, which shows you how Kiitab works, a very simple device, and the 12-month warranty, the other products that it works with, and also access to the Kiitab app as well. And now for the case itself, it's a lovely semi-solid, sturdy case, and it has a zip enclosure, which keeps it nice and tight in terms of its closure. It opens up here, and we have a custom area for the Kiitab to fit in nice and securely. This is the same Kiitab pen that we had in the previous device. What's new is the actual case, and here we also have this stringy area where we have a place for you to store the data cable and recharging accessories for the Kiitab pen as well. So there we have it, a very simple, secure and wonderful new addition to the Kiitab pen. If you'd like to learn more about Kiitab and how it can help your child go from Qaidah to Quran and learn other aspects of Islam in a fun way, then visit us at learningroots.com.